Adding a new Sockeye user. In the Users section, an administrator is able to add, edit, and delete users. Click on the Setup tab located on the navigation bar within the blue ribbon. On the far left-hand side, click Users under the Setup Data menu. Then select the plus Add User button. An Add User dialog box will then appear. We can now start entering the user's details. Input the user's full name. Add the user's email address. This will be the username at login. Input a password. This is a mandatory field and will also be used at login. Click on the role. The role will determine how much information the user will be able to see and edit. If no role is chosen, the user will default to administrator. The role access for administrator are all tabs in the blue ribbon. This includes the Setup tab, along with committing and uncommitting weekly schedules for KPI purposes. The Planner role provides access to available hours, weekly schedules, daily schedules, defined task, and more tabs in the blue ribbon, and also allows you to commit a weekly schedule for the KPI purposes. The Scheduler, Manager, and Operations roles allows users to access available hours, weekly schedules, daily schedules, find tasks, and the More button. Select the most appropriate role for this user. Select the specific area that the user can default and have access to. Some setups do not have a specific area. If a user has access to more than one Sockeye account, this field must remain blank. Permissions. Choose one or multiple permissions that are applicable. Read only allows users to see the information but not make any changes. The refresh backlog enables the user to click on the refresh under the weekly and the daily schedule backlog section. The refresh available hours allows that user to click the refresh button under available hours tab. Update data allows the user to make changes or additions to schedules, hours, completes work orders, etc. And set delay codes. This allows any role to select a delay code at the weekly schedule level. Click Save. Once the user has been set up in Sockeye, you can continue to follow your internal login steps for single sign-on, or forward the user the Sockeye link and the password details that you've set up. Feel free to reach out to your Sockeye rep if you have further questions.